and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda C50 Standard. It's a Japanese import, really nice condition, low kilometers, 2000 with €49 a year road tax. Just been cleaned and serviced here. Go around the bike, front tyre. It's good condition, plenty of thread left. Front mud guard again, no marks to make note of. The original front rack on it. We fitted a little aftermarket front windshield, looks very smart on the bike. Original indicators, headlamp and leg shields are also original. Coming down is the front forks. The alloy itself is in really nice condition. Like we said, it's a low kilometer one at 12,000 kilometers. Engine on the right hand side, good condition. Rubbers in good condition, as well as the actual foot peg itself. Kickstart and the side panel on the right hand side, really nice condition. Up over the top you have the original Honda seat, and underneath again good condition under here with the fuel gauge under here as well. A little bit of marking up on the top on the handlebars. As I said, 12,987 kilometers on the clock. Rear rack is in really nice condition. Chrome's in great condition. Even the exhaust here, the Goshi exhaust on the back here, really nice. Again, the alloy and the chroming on the alloy, good condition. Around the rear of the bike, rear mud guards good, original indicators and rear brake light. The tire, good condition again, plenty of thread. Chain guard is present on them, which a lot of them is gone, especially in the Irish ones. Tops of the forks then again is a pain point for rusting, and this one is completely clear. The rear mud guards in really nice nick. Just wipe this little bit of polish away. Again, no marking. Again, sticker in place here on this left hand side panel, and again here under where the tank is. Side stand and main stand on it. Engine on the left hand side is good. Even you can see it's a low kilometer bike. You don't have any rubbing even from boots on this left hand side engine cover, which you get a lot as well. And then to the front again, really nice condition. So that's the Honda C50 visual inspection. We'll now move on to the ride long video. Okay, so we're on to the Honda C50 now. We only have two left. These are the last ones that we've had in from Japan. One is a standard, so you get the non-metallic paint, and the other one is metallic. I'll be going out on the standard one with the little shield that I've taken the pictures of as well. Both low kilometers. This one has 12,000 and the metallic has 7,000. We'll be asking a slight bit more for the metallic one than we will be for the standard one, just because of obviously metallic paint and lower kilometers as well. But both in very nice condition. This one you've already seen, but this one you'll see as I just walk around it here even, is in really good condition as well, like all the Jap bikes are. And I'll just show you the kilometers on it as well. But we're around on this one now, so we're going to do the ride along on this little 50. So the starter, make sure the fuel is on, which is here. Turn the ignition on to kick start, and I've my work cut out for me today because a majority of the bikes here are kick start, but this one is very simple. You can do it in one kick and away you go. So how many of these videos have I done on these little 50s? I can't even count the number of 50s that I've ridden. Honda 50s, just endless amounts of them. That shield actually does a lot more than what you think it is. It does blow the air just up and over the top of your helmet, which is nice. You don't get as much of it straight into your face when you're on these little bikes. So right, we're just going to take a little right hand turn here, and we'll move out and around. You have gotten this far into the video. I would appreciate it if you could leave a like and a comment on what you think of these bikes and our little reviews that we do on all of the bikes that we get in here at Retro Bikes Dublin. That would be greatly appreciated. Like I said, subscribe, like and comment. On to the review though. Going into third gear, slipping through the gears really nicely, nice and tactile feedback from my left foot there. Indicators seem to be working certainly on the right hand side as we take all the right hand turns here. We'll be turning left on the way back, so don't worry, we'll test that out as well. And we do a little test uphill now as well, which is always good for the 50s. It's always nice to test the 50s and what they do uphill. This one seems like a nice peppy one. We're doing up and over 40 kilometers an hour now, and downhill you're looking at 60 kilometers an hour. So uphill around 50, downhill 65, 60 kilometers an hour. That's your kind of that's what you can kind of expect from these little things. Like we said, since we started bringing these in, we've actually got a bit of a deal with the insurance companies. If you're on the older license scheme where you can drive a 50cc moped, you can drive these semi-automatic bikes now as well. So if you're looking into that, that's no problem at all. We've had a lot of people come through here with just a car license and get on these and get insured, no problem. Really nice little bike. Very difficult to get now, certainly in these kind of conditions and in the Japanese spec, just with the whole thing that's going on with shipping at the minute. It's extremely expensive to get containers in like we used to. You're looking at what would have been 5,000–6,000 euros up to near 20,000 euros now. So huge difference in the price. So that is reflected on a lot of the bike prices. And I was thinking of doing a video on you know, why motorcycle prices are going up specifically. There's a lot of different reasons currently at the minute. It's quite interesting, but that's for another day. Anyway, we'll move up now into our little area where we do our walk around, where we get the lights and everything shown. I'll just park it up here, try not to knock down anyone, and put it into neutral. Alright, let me turn the indicator off and put her up on the main stand here. Okay, so there you have it, seat on the road like that. Really nice, like, little looking thing. I'm just going to get my camera and point it away from the children, don't want to be known for that. And we'll just get it one like this. That's perfect. Now here we have little bikes. We'll go through the indicators. Left indicator here, there we are, working very nicely. Right indicator, again, you can see working there. Brake light as well working. And we'll go through the horn working, and then we'll get the actual light itself. If we turn on the light here, oh, need a bulb in the front, so that's the work for us to do, but we'll get that done anyway before we set it out. But other than that, really nice little running bike. Honda C50 standard. We also have the metallic one if you're interested. Last two of the lot. That's all for the C50s. But if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thank you for watching.